In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Uphold account. First of all, launch open Uphold application. You can see over here Uphold application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, sign up, login. What you have to do is tap on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Uphold. What you have to do is enter your credentials over here. So first of all, enter the email address. Tap on the field of email address. Now simply enter the email address associated with your account over here. After you do that, enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on this option, forgot password, and you'll be able to recover it. After you do that, enter the password over here. Now after you enter the password, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you log in Uphold account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.